Hello, so we're back in this time with a Temu Tools video review. Now this time, like every time, I picked up some useful items for our repairs or DIY. We have a desk light because we need more light. We have a hot plate. We have a USB-C meter up to 12 amps and PD 3.1 and a 10-inch microscope, digital one. But before we are starting, please check Temu website, have a look there. You can find some useful items. Then please check the link on the description. Yeah, use your phone, you install the app, create an account, and after that on the search box, you can apply my code from the screen for £100 discount coupon. The coupon is for free. You can spend them on my items or you can buy whatever you like. Now let's start with the USB-C. Why you will need a USB-C on the first place? Well, in order to check what's going on with your USB-C, you need a power meter. This it will tell us exactly what voltage you have, what current, and many other things. I'm gonna plug a USB-C. Then if you are trying to charge something like a power bank, a laptop, or whatever USB-C device you have, now you will see the voltage and the current, and also the power. More than that, you can go on the menu and you can trigger some protocols like PD 3.1. Now here you have a switch on and off, so the meter it will come on without being plugged. Then you have a menu. You go down to protocol. Then you press OK. Then you have mode auto test. So all you have to do is to hold down the OK button. So holding down the button, and now the device it will check the cable. So you have to pay attention what kind of power you can push with your cable. In my case, I can push like 5 amps, 20 volts, 100 watts. Then we have here some phone protocols like 5 volts, 9 volts, 12, and also the new one, 12 volts. Now the unbelievable part is you can buy this for 99p, under £1. Just check the link on the description, use your phone, install the app, and you can buy discounted. What we have next is a hot plate, and a lot of people ask for a hot plate. Can you believe actually you can buy this for like £1.50? So this is a USB-C hot plate. Really nice to see you have the temperature sensor from the middle there. Let's plug a cable, USB-C, and we have a screen, you can see it. Let's set up the temperature. You have the buttons here up and down. So we have heat, and now the plate is getting hot. Check now. Probably it will take like a minute to get hot. You are using a hot plate, and the moment you don't want to use high temperature. If you don't want to use high temperature, you will have their like components, they need higher temperature because the board, it will suck the heat. To overcome this, you are using a hot plate. So even if the board is sucking the heat, having the hot plate on the back of your board, you can use lower temperature from the hot air. Very useful, especially like phones and tablets or any small boards. Let's check under the microscope what's going on here. So we have the board, and I don't even need the hot air or solar iron. Check here, yeah? You can see every component is moving because the board is set up to 350 degrees, which means I don't need like hot air or solar iron. You can take the chip, put the chip back, and yeah, everything is fine. More than that, you have coils. Take the coil, put the coil back, or charging ports like this one. Took the charging port out, put the charging port back. All good. Perfect even for DIY, you know, you do your PCB and you want to solder the components one by one. A hot plate is absolutely godsend. So what do you think about that? Pretty cool, right? Yeah, I know. £1.50? It's a bargain. One more time, check the link on the description, use your phone, install the app, create an account, then you can buy this cool item. Now the next item, this is something I need, yeah? So this is a desk light with everything. It's coming with the arm. We have the arm. We have the clamp, so you can clamp the light on the desk. This is a standard one, even for microphones, yeah, like desk microphones. So you can have you can use it for the light or actually for a desk microphone. And this is spinning here freely. You can of course clamp it down. Now the light itself, it's a USB power light. And you have a power on and off switch. Check here. A bunch of LEDs, huh? Let me plug this to my computer. And now it's plugged to my computer. It's unbelievable bright. Just to compare it. So we have a motherboard and we have the light. On, off. Quite bright, right? And now I can have the light here. And as you can see, it's quite bright. And you can adjust the angle. Proper useful. We all need more light. It's never enough. Yeah. You can buy it for £1.70. Can you believe that? And if I switch it off, you will see the difference. Yeah. Now the last item is the microscope. And I know people ask, sorry, a cheap microscope. Cheap is not enough. Has to be good. Let me put it all back together. We have a 10-inch screen. Now check here. This is a proper sharp picture. This screen is huge. So just to understand, the plate is quite wide. This is a normal size motherboard. And the picture quality is fantastic. And we have the focus here. We can proper focus the picture. Then we have some light here. You can take the glare out if you use the light from opposite direction. And that's the microscope. I mean, I'm watching there, but if I watch here, proper nice. I want more zoom, let's say, yeah. Then I can get this down, the microscope. You go down. And when I mean down, it's just to understand now, yeah, proper sharp. Now with zoom, yeah. But the working distance, like right now, the working distance is from here to here, is still that much. So you can you have a lot of space. I can see I can put my hand inside. You have a lot of space to work with hot air or solder iron. Like in this case, let's get the hot air, and I can easily work with the hot air here. Then if I want a wider picture, this is adjustable. Now it's proper high, and you can see it's wider. Now I can see more area onto the board. And the working distance right now is like 2 hands. Yeah, I have 2 hands, one over the other. A lot of space. More than that, this is adjustable. So you can get the microscope further in the front of you. Let's say you want to have the picture from this side. So now the angle is like that. Also, it has a USB cable, so you can connect it to the computer and actually display the picture on the computer. I mean, I can't see why you will do something like that because the screen is proper big, so you can have it here. And I can easily work, and you can see the screen is here, and I can watch the screen and work with, let's say, like solder iron. No, it's not delay. I checked the delay, it's not really delay. Probably if you connect to the computer, it will be a delay. So what do you think? Huh? 10-inch screen. You can have it for like £75. That's how it's looking from one side. Huh? Definitely useful for like probably anyone. I mean, you can be a repair guy, you can be a DIY. Maybe you study coins or plants or insect. A microscope is always welcome. Again, have a look. The link in the description is your phone installed app. Use the code from the screen on the Temu search bar and grab the £100 discount coupon. Then you can buy whatever you want. You can buy this microscope. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna stop here. I will say thank you for watching. Like, subscribe if you like the video, like always, and see you on the next one. Bye.